Hey everybody, how you doing today? Happy New Year. Uh, Today I'm going to show you how to install one of these things, a limiter kit. All right, if you're in a state that only gives you 10 round max on your pistola, well, you got 13. Boom. You're going to have to freaking limit it. If not, hey, it's Dale time. All right, so there's the company I got it from, magblocks.com. All right. They come with this booklet and everything. How to do it and everything. I didn't need the snippers because they already had it cut to the way I needed it already. So, all right. Comes with all the instructions. If you scan this, there's a video that sends you to on YouTube from their website. And, it just tells you the different lengths for different models of Glock. 17, 23, 22, 19, yada, yada, yada. All right. So, okay, got you the pretty part. Okay. Now, what comes in the kit is 3 limiters, an epoxy kit, and that's about it. That's what I ordered. So, from this company. Let me scoot it on in there. All right, so let's get it started. You will need the epoxy kit, a screwdriver, or a punch. Let me show you what punch is. Get one of these. Whichever one you feel more comfortable with. It's either one of these or a punch. Your mag, of course. And that's it. All right. And 10 rounds so that you could test it out right afterwards to make sure it goes up to the limit that you need it to. All right. Let us begin. Let me see if this one even fits this one. Now, when pushing the belly button right there, you're going to be going like this pretty much. Boom. And then at the same time, like this to slide this top off. So it's going to be like pushing into that belly button and then at the same time simultaneously slide. Not freaking crack it open like a damn savage. Just boom and then slide and boom, should slide right off. Nice and easy. All right. Okay, let me see if this one fits it. Oh, cool. It does. All right, you see? Boom. And just slide it. And that's it. It's open. You don't need a special tool with that can opener looking thing. It's already open. Look. That's it. That's it. Just slide that out. And that's it. And while you're sliding it open, there's a lot of tension on this spring. Okay, so watch out. Keep your thumb over it, and that's it. Boom. If this is your first time, the way you take it off is the way you place it down. Okay? All right? And then, boom. Right here. The way you take it off, the way you place it down. That's it. Less thinking. Boom. Nice and simple. All right? Then here you go. Take out this. I already used up my other 2, so I need 2. All right. Like I said, this is for my Glock 21, just in case I didn't say. And it's already pre-cut for me. All right. They already sent it pre-cut, so I didn't have to snip it. Okay. All right. Now, the same angle that you put it in is the same angle it's going to land. Okay. When it goes in there, it's not going to click into anything or anything like that. It's just sitting there. What's going to keep it from falling out is Mr. Spring. All right, now let me show you that. Now this pops right out. Nice and easy. It pops right out. Okay, and then you just place that here. You see? Boom. Little teeth, little grooves. It only goes in one way. Boom. That's it. That is it. This is for a Gen 3 or Gen 4. I forgot which one is this. But yeah, just make sure you pick the right gen. Mine is for, let's see if it says it on the receipt here. 21, 45. It doesn't say it on the receipt, but yeah. All right, just make sure you pick the right gen and the right model, and you should be golden. All right. So as I was saying, boom, the same way. Like I said, you see I didn't move anything, and then boom, you just put it on in there. Like I said, there's no clicking or anything. It's just gonna sit there, and the tension from the spring is what's gonna keep it in there. All right, and boom, nice and gentle. There you go. Don't get nervous. There you go. And boom, look, pops right up. All right, you see? Okay, that's it. All right, now, like I said, you left everything the same way it was. Boom, rounded top, flat bottom. What you see there? Rounded top, flat bottom. Same thing. First things first. You put that in there, and please wear goggles. It says it in the instructions. Wear goggles. Don't just go by the video. All right. Let me even prove it to you. Right there. Boom. Wear goggles. All right. Okay, and that's it. Just keep it in there. You're just gonna slide it right on over. That's it. Now, the epoxy, before I shut this, you're probably gonna put epoxy up around the ridges that's on here. All right, because there's ridges all around. You're gonna put epoxy there, and then I forgot how many minutes. I think it's like a few minutes you still got, or whatever. But if you want to be 100% sure, just go to your FFL guy or a gun guy, gun shop or anything. They'll tell you exactly what they do. A lot of them do a different method. But let me first put this in before I lose this. But yeah, it's just boom, and that's it, guys. Just bam. You know how you did it? Boom. You see? There's the belly button again. And that's it. It should hold only 10 right now. Now, as I was saying, a lot of the gun shops, what they do, and they charge you like, I think 25 per mag to do this. If you receive it from like, if they ship it to you and everything, your FFL guy is going to get it. Now, when he opens it up, he goes, "Oh, it's a 13. I have to limit this." They're going to drill this out a bit, then they're gonna put a pop rivet in there, and then that'll limit it from going all the way past 10. I was a little bit sketchy on that part, and at the same time, 25 bucks, geez, for the kit and everything, for 3 of them, it just came out way better of a deal than me doing it myself. All right, right now I'm doing this in a state where 13 is allowed, but before I cross state lines, boom, I'm gonna do it, and then it's all gonna be legal. God forbid I get pulled over or anything like that. Well, that's jail time if they catch you with the wrong freaking mags. So there you go. Okay, now let's test it out to see if it does hold 10. I don't think I'm allowed to show you how to put cartridges in, so yeah, hold on a sec. Let me see if I could hit the pause button. Hold on. All right, and I'm adding in the last one now. Come on, you little bugger. And there you go. No jiggling, no nothing. Boom, and of course, that's it, dude. Look, there you go. There's 10 right there. Doesn't go past it. Does not let it go past it. I don't care how much you try. It's not going to go past it. All right? Because that thing, when it goes down, it's going to hit the bottom of this, and it's not going to let you go past that. All right? Yeah, so there you go. Nice. And like I said, put the epoxy on there. Stay legit. Again, the place is called magblocks.com. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. And gals. All right. Nice and cheap. Like I said, instead of getting each one done at your FFL, you could order this kit for the price of getting one done. You could get 3 of them done. Come on. In this economy. All right. I don't know what else to tell you. I think that's all, folks. You take care. Be safe. God bless. Watch your 6.